and figured out a little like object avoidance thing, and it basically works by doing a raycast and then determining, if that raycast is between you and your target, go around it. And it does it in an interesting way, but anyways, I wanted to show you how it's done. So I've attached these two cars, that one and that one, both have the script on it. One of them is following the other car, and the other one's following this guy over here. And this guy's got the script on him too, and he's going towards the target, which is over here. So what we should see on this screen, or on the full screen, is it's going to be jittery and crazy and shit. But the guy's going to go to this target. One of the cars this car is going to follow him, and the bouncy car is going to try to follow this car. But it'll show you two things. One, kind of what I was talking about, like the prefabs for some reason are oriented the wrong way, so they're going to drive sideways, and the guy's going to walk sideways. And also some of these objects, these houses and stuff, they don't have full colliders on them for some reason, or some of them don't, like parts of it don't. So the AI will kind of freak out sometimes when it's trying to figure out where to go. But let's just watch and find out. Alright, cool. And here you go. See, that guy's moving. He's trying to get there. And he sees that, so he avoids it. And this little car's following him, which is funny. And this car's trying to get over here to that guy. But he's bouncing around, so it's difficult. So yeah, they go crazy. They're trying. This dude's just strolling. But anyways, he found it. And now he's going to find it again. And he's going to find it again. This guy's trying to follow this guy. But he's bouncing around, and so his ray casting's kind of getting jacked up. But this dude, look. This little AI, he's navigating his way through this crazy, crazy world. So yeah, it should work. Anyways, so that's all janky right now, but once we make it better, it'll be good. But I'll show you like with the demo kind of that scene. So here's my little NPC. Actually, we'll just do the cat. So here's my kitty. And he's going to follow. I'm going to make his... Alright, cool. I'm going to make his angle correct speed a little bit lower so that he doesn't jitter so much, but watch. So he's going to go through, and he's going to try to navigate the best way he can through this world. See how he kind of jitters? I got to figure out a way to lower that jitteriness. And he usually gets stuck right here. Or he just gets really stubborn. This won't really matter so much later once we tweak it more, but hey, he found it. Which is pretty good out of a complicated environment like this. Now I'm going to have the cat AI, instead of following the target, he's going to follow the NPC, which is a little ball right here behind him. Let's see what happens. And actually, I'm going to make the cat turn faster, make him smarter, essentially. This makes him avoid stuff better. Let's see what happens. He'll make him more jittery, though. So now he's going to... he's trying to find the ball, but... there he is. He found it. Oh, ball doesn't like him. Turn around. You can do it, cat. There he goes. Go after the ball. Follow the ball. I think the ball's really fast and crazy. And his raycasting is interacting with this guy, so... I'll have to put another condition in the raycasting, like to avoid other people for the main, event. Maybe I shouldn't. I think the ball's underneath there. Let's try this one more time. I'm going to put the cat behind the ball. Literally. Alright, so here we go. The cat's saying hi to the world. That ball is just freaking out. Let's see what happens with the ball. Oh, his angle correct speed's too good? Maybe he's too smart. Let's make him stupider. And let's make him move a little faster. See what happens. See see that the environment's dynamic, it's changing, so these things have to be able to change too. So this guy's kind of the cat's looking beyond this wall to him, and then I was trying to figure out the angle to get towards the creature, or towards the ball. So I see he jitters. I have to somehow figure out how to get rid of that. And he doesn't know how to go up. So there you go. He just pushes his way through. He's just like, fuck it, I don't give a shit. It's very impressive looking. Just kidding, it's totally not. But in the end, the ball got there, okay. Let's try to figure out, I'm going to put the cat back as the target for the original one. I'm going to see how he does. Just on his own, not following the ball. So it's kind of cool, like I could knock that wall over right here, and he'd react to it. At this point it's super simple, so he like wouldn't know how to jump over it, or whatever. Oh fuck, that thing's closing in on us. Oh shit. My computer's slow as fuck, but hey, figured out his way to get through. So yeah, it's pretty cool. And the coolest part about it is the script, which, okay, looks kind of crazy, but the coolest thing about it is, this is the whole script. It's really basic. Most of this bulk is just from the raycasting script code. The real power stuff is down here, and it's just basically saying your position, your current like rotation, or the rotation toward facing the target, and then how quickly you're gonna go, and change that. And the slurp is kind of like it interpolates in a spherical fashion the number. Don't really know what that means, but it sounds like I do. But anyways, the coolest part is that this function, which is a custom function I just made, can just be put in the script like that. So let's say it's part of the greater AI script, and it's like, you know, if you're hungry, blah, 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 blah. Well, I don't even have to worry about this. This can just be like the status quo, and then if I'm hungry or whatever, I'll just change the target variable right here to like food, or to, if he's attacking, I'll change it, you know, target equals player, and then suddenly this variable will switch, and where is it? Oh yeah. Well, anyways, the variable will switch. So instead of, you know, targeting the last target, he'll target the new target. So that makes it really simple. Makes it so our update function, which is a really important one, isn't so big. So this kind of just keeps it out of the way. We can just, you know, it looks a lot prettier. Anyways, so that's the coolness of it. But TTYL.